Hey everyone, Seth coming to you from the KENWOOD Training Department. Today, we're excited to introduce our latest partnership with Escort radar detectors. Now, when used with an iDatalink Maestro radio replacement interface, you can control the Escort radar detectors directly from the touchscreen of the KENWOOD receiver. All you need is a compatible Escort radar detector, an iDatalink Maestro radio replacement interface, and then the KENWOOD receiver to get touchscreen controls. Let's take a look at some of the cool features that this has to offer.
K-band. 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 K-band.
KENWOOD.